The 2007 Saturn Outlook. The Saturn Outlook is called a crossover because it straddles the line between car and truck. The Outlook offers the passenger and cargo capacity of a big SUV with ride quality and fuel economy more like that of a car, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.